wished your marketing strategies or slogans could directly speak to each and every one of your customers? Like many of us, I'm sure you have. Imagine crafting content that feels like it was made just for them. That's the magic of artificial intelligence in today's marketing landscape. Hey there guys, this is your host Nursu as always. And today we're going to talk about how AI is revolutionizing the personalized content we create as well as campaigns. From understanding customer behavior to tailoring your messages in real time, AI is our new best friend in creating marketing strategies that truly resonate. I'd like to start off with how AI is making content personalization possible for us and how it's truly magic. Think about all the data that your customers generate, from their browsing habits to their social media interactions. AI sifts through this vast ocean of information to uncover patterns and insights that help you understand what your customers really want. With these insights, AI tools can help you create personalized emails that greet customers by name and suggest products they're likely to love. And when it comes down to social media, AI can pretty much tailor your posts to match the interests and behaviors of different audience segments, which in turn boosts engagement and conversions. And if you think that's all it can do, you're mistaken. AI definitely doesn't stop there. It can adjust website content in real time based on a visitor's past interactions, ensuring they see the most relevant information. And when it comes to advertising, AI-driven platforms can deliver highly targeted ads that speak directly to the needs and desires of specific customer groups, maximizing your campaign's effectiveness. Now, creating customized and personalized content is one thing, but presenting it effectively is another. And that's where Decktopus AI comes into play. Decktopus here is a fantastic tool that helps you streamline your content creation process, making it easier to communicate your strategies and results. Decktopus AI offers a variety of ready-to-use presentation templates tailored for different marketing personas. So whether you're addressing your champions, that is your loyal customers, or trying to win back a churn persona, Decktopus AI has various templates that can help you craft messages that truly resonate with each segment. So here are some actionable tips for tailoring your campaigns using AI-generated insights with Decktopus AI. Tone and messaging. Utilize AI to determine the preferred communication style of each persona. Whether it's formal, friendly, or enthusiastic, Decktopus allows you to adjust the tone of your content to match the preferences of your audience. Design interactions. Let AI insights guide your design choices for once. Decktopus offers customizable design elements that can be tailored based on what resonates most with your target segments, ensuring your visuals complement your messaging effectively. Data-driven content. Incorporate AI-generated data insights directly into your presentations. Decktopus makes it easy to include charts, graphs, and summaries that highlight key performance indicators and actionable insights, providing a clear and compelling narrative for your campaigns. Harnessing AI in marketing not only personalizes and customizes your content for your audience, but also streamlines your entire creation process. With Decktopus AI here, turning your insights and information into captivating presentations is seamless and effective. I really hope you found these strategies helpful and inspiring. And if you did, make sure you stick around because we have a lot to talk about. I really appreciate you joining me here today, and I can't wait to see you in the next episode.